Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can animate in Wix, or how to add animations to your elements. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already opened up the website editor for one of my websites, and I'm going to show you how you can edit your website to add animations. Now, once you're in your editor, what you're going to want to do is click on any element that you want. For example, let's say this text element, and as you can see, this here is the animation button. You just want to click on that. Once you get here, as you can see, you have the menu for adding an animation. You have entrance, loop, and scroll animations. As you can see, you have the turn animation. For example, if I customize it, it's gonna preview the scroll. And for example, I don't know why that didn't happen, but let's say that, customize, and let's say in, style intense, direction from left, and rotate clockwise, and preview on scroll. Let's just turn that on. For some reason it's not previewing, but it should work if you preview your site. And let's just go into the preview really quickly to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, this is the preview, and the screen goes black. Excuse that, my Chrome is going crazy these days. Not sure why that's happening, but it is for some reason, and it just doesn't seem to want to work. So I'll just go back to my editor just to make that stop. And as you can see, it would have shown you the animation. Make no mistake, my computer is just going crazy. But other than that, you can go into loop. You can also do breathe. And as you can see, if I were to hover over some of these, as you can see, it previews the animation. So for example, if I previewed the turn, it doesn't work because it's a scroll animation, but it is what it is. And as you can see, it does preview the animations here. You just select the animation that you want, and it'll be available in your preview. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.